Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications for your ZTE Axon 30. So first let's open up our Google Play Store. Right here we want to find a Notify Buddy app. It's this one right here. Click on install. When it's ready, you can open it, go to the next step and grant 3 permissions to the app. First being phone permission, click on allow, overlay permission, find Notify Buddy and allow display over the other apps. Notification permission, do the same thing. Now let's reopen the app. Here you can disable battery optimization, but it's optional. Now let's move on. From here we can start using the app and you can see 4 tabs down here. Let's reopen the app. There's a user. So in the user you can pick any apps to allow custom LED lamp notifications for. And in this case let's go with Facebook Lite. In system you can find all apps bound to the system of your device. In active, you can see all activated apps. In the settings, you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, or color. But some of the options are locked behind the premium version of this app. But now let's click on the test button to see how the LED lamp looks like, and it's right here on the top left corner. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.